pleasant afternoon to the Board of Justice. As we can see, it is the Philippine flag. Philippine flag symbolizes a lot. Philippine flag symbolizes our dignity. It symbolizes also how we Filipino fight for one thing. It symbolizes on how our country get its independence. Now we can see the colorful flag, which it means a lot, but the color simply states that we Filipino are fighting to what we need to fight for.
Very good. Thank you so much, Kenneth.